so back at it again, this time with a rewind that. Porygon-Z GX. It's a nice snuggly box with this weird looking digital Pokemon. I did think I opened one of these before. Alright. I don't even remember anymore. I've opened so many weird things at this point. Got the giant card. We have 4 packs. Oh, at least that's interesting. Lost Ton Doll, a couple of Unified Minds, and an Evolution. And a... oh, I already jacked that thing up so bad. I hate these things. I mean, honestly, it's not even worth it to me. I should just leave them in the freaking thing. Actually, no, that one's not that banged up. I really hate that the old packaging on these things. I don't know who designed that. I think they did that deliberately to artificially inflate the value of those specific promo cards. Code card. The Evolution's got a Fire Pony. Like, how does anybody actually ride that thing? Can't do a bareback, tell you that much. Machop, doing his Atlas pose. Got a foiled Nidoking and a Beedrill and the Evolution spray and the Porygon, so that's kind of appropriate, right? Alright, Lost Thunder. Okay, got a Hoppip. Oh, I kind of ruined it. Got a Pikachu, a Fire Slug, got a Very Happy Seal, a Litleo. Boom! No, that's not bad. So we got a nice little Prism, Life Force, and a Alolan Ninetales. Not bad. So far, it's one of the better things that I've kind of opened. Alright, Unified Minds. Let's see how unified we are. I have a sinking feeling about this one. Got a Sandlit, Sweet. I got another version of them. They all look shady. Got this guy picking up his skin pants. Fracture and Talonflame, which I really like. Little Firebird Reset Stamp, which I think is still banned, and a Heracross that's cast in the shadow. Alright, last Unified Minds. Can we redeem ourselves? Oh man. What did we get? Got a Sloth. Got a Firebird. Got this guy that has very interesting lips. Got an Onix. Got a Blizzard Town and a Surfing Pikachu. I got excited for nothing. So lame. Got a Pokemon Research Lab and a Sleepy Claw. So there's that. So, yeah. That was something, right? I guess. Ah! Hit the camera. Anyways, till next time. Hope everybody's alright. Be safe. Take care. Goodbye.